You should know, like you're looking this way. वहाँ से I enter, you should know. Oh shit, Eden आई है शायद from the smell. Hi guys, this is Eden, and today I'm at Filmy Gyan doing what's in my bag. Starting off strong, I have my Hello Kitty वाला mask because ये basic masks पहनने का season नहीं है. So I wear Hello Kitty mask. That's how you know if you see me on the road with this that that's me. Next, I have my Dior. I think this is my compact. You always have to have powder in your bag because बारिश होती है, कुछ भी होता है, you have to touch up. You have to look perfect at all times. Next, I have one more Dior product. Oh wow, does she like Dior? I guess she does. I have the highlighter and the blush from Dior because I'm a Dior girly. Next, of course, I have a whole size Tom Ford tobacco oud in my bag. Listen guys, I'm from Dubai. The whole street needs to smell like me. Like if I enter a place, you should know, like you're looking this way, वहाँ से I enter, you should know, oh shit, Eden आई है शायद from the smell. Again, of course, I have Al Majid oud, which is one of the best ouds of Dubai. Like I said, I smell good. You can tell. Next, I have the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. Oh my god, it smells like vanillas and honey and everything. So when like somebody like shakes your hand and then you walk away and they're like, oh my god, damn, the soft-handed, yummy smelling girl. That's me guys, that's me. I don't know why I have 50 rupees in my bag, but it's okay. ठीक है, चलते हैं. I have my AirPods. I don't go anywhere without my AirPods. I will be in depression. मुझे BT हो जाएगी if I have to go anywhere without my AirPods. The case broke, so I got it without the case. Like the upper part broke. I don't know. I keep dropping things all the time. I have a lash curler, very random. मतलब to just like comb my brows and my lashes. So random. I have a hair tie. Normally I can never find. I could have 200 of these, but मुझे time पे ये नहीं मिलते हैं. So randomly bags में मिल जाते हैं. Then I have a MAC limited edition lipstick. अब ये जो black tape है ना, इसके ऊपर is because of Big Boss. हम जब Big Boss जाते हैं तो वो tape लगाते हैं आपके makeup products पे. That's why it has tape, but it's also like the limited edition shade that I'm wearing. So that's that. I have a small baby comb. Normally it's pink, but today it's white. I don't know. And last thing I have in my bag is this Sun Protect. I'm not a sun person. I don't like being in the sun and all of that. I like to protect my skin. So I always keep like these sachets in my bag. बस पानी में घुला के पी लो. So yeah, that's all I have in my bag.
Okay, so we have few questions for you.
Okay.
Okay, so first is 3 mandatory items you have in your bag.
Powder, lipstick, and face mask. AirPods, powder, lipstick. I could do without the face mask, but AirPods, bro, it's very necessary. I need to.
One celebrity's bag that you want to invade.
I think Alia Bhatt, because I'm in love with that woman. She's so casually elegant, like that's the aura I want to create, but I cannot create because I'm different. But that's the only woman. I want to raid her bag, I want to raid her closet, I want to raid everything.
Okay. What about her Cannes look?
Oh my god, I loved it. Like I love the no jewelry.
Which one is your favorite?
I like the dress she was wearing with no jewelry. I think like that stood out. Like people were saying, you know, why do you not have jewelry? She was not wearing anything, any piece of jewelry, and I think that made it stand out. I think that was exactly what she was going for. See, Alia could be wearing a garbage bag and she would look like the best looking woman. So she was breathtaking. Like that's my woman crush. I love Alia Bhatt. I want to be Alia Bhatt. I should change my name to Alia Bhatt. Could never be though.
Your most expensive bag.
My most expensive bag, I have this one LV that I got from Taj in the Taj jo wahan hai, India Gate wala. I got an LV from there for 3.15. It's a black LV. It was a limited edition. I wish I had it. I could have showed you. But I keep the bill with me at all times because customs, guys. But that's my most expensive bag.
Cheapest bag.
Okay, yeah, my cheapest bag would be a Victoria's Secret bag. I have a Victoria's Secret bag which was 600 dirhams. 600 dirhams in Indian money is into 22. I don't know what is 600 into 22.
Okay.
कितना होता है?
Guys.
13.
Yeah, that's my cheapest bag.
Most expensive thing you own. What's your most expensive thing?
Listen, I would say my cats. My cats are priceless. Technically, my youngest cat is only 40k, But for me, that's like I could sell my kidney for my 4 cats. So that's my most expensive asset.
Okay. One celebrity you would want to swap your fashion style with?
Swap my fashion style with. I think Kusha Kapila. She has great dressing sense. The clothes she wears just flatters her body so well, and she has such a great body. She has a nice, like a thick and like a very aesthetically pleasing feminine body. So I would love to swap with her.
Okay, so last, have you ever gone for a street shopping?
Oh yeah, definitely. As much as I'm all luxury and bougie, so as long as I lived in my hometown in Dubai, there was no street shopping. But when I came to Bombay, I could shop in a Taj next to Gateway of India, but then I would also like to go to a Linking Road, because the stuff you'll find there, like the jewelry you find there, I think is so good. Like they have these stack bracelets and all. And recently one of my friends introduced me to it, and I think it's crazy. I have no shame in the game. मैं चली जाती हूँ. मैं jewelry Linking Road से ले लूँगी. No stress.
कोई मार्केट स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग में जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद हो?
So on Bandra, the Linking Road, my friend took me to. यहाँ पे एल्को है पानीपुरी वाला. So you eat पानीपुरी there and you cross the road and वहाँ पे jewelry. So there, very nice stuff.
Okay.
How do they sell like such beautiful jewelry? And somebody like me, I'm gonna wear something once and never wear it again. I don't repeat clothes. I don't repeat anything. So yeah, fun.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You.